Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to Morrow Mountain State Park. It will be a day hike. It's 2.5 miles one way. It's not the biggest that I've done. So I'm looking forward to it, and let's get started. So the weather looks absolutely stunning today. It's like 16 to 20 degree Celsius. It's perfect weather, clear blue skies. Yeah, perfect day for hiking. So here's my car. Currently we are cruising along the boring highway. Yeah, I don't know what's the number. Yeah, it's just 40 miles straight road. So we are here at the Morrow Mountain State Park. This is our current position, and we have to reach here. It should be around 2.5 miles one way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this blue triangle and reach the top. I have my Mavic Mini with me as well, so I'll try to get some aerial shots. Let's see. The overall height of this Morrow Mountain is about, I think, 950. Yeah, 950 feet. In this national park, this is the tallest peak that we have. So one of the main reasons why I chose this trek today is because it's not that far from my place. It's like 100 miles. The weather was good, and also last Sunday I did this chimney rock trail. It was like 4 hours drive, so I wanted to do something this weekend, but didn't want to go too far. Just met a guy who was just passing by, and apparently there's a rattlesnake somewhere around here, so he told me to keep a lookout. And yeah, That's scary. We are on the right track. I have been following that blue triangle. So, and there's another red triangle. I think that's Sugar Mountain Trail. But yeah, all the trails here in this, at least I've seen this in North Carolina. All the trails, as you see here, they're all marked, so there's very little chance that you are getting lost. So that's really good system these guys have here in the NC national parks. I think I'm almost there. The views are looking pretty good, though there are some trees in between. I think if I go up a little, it will be a good view from there. Alright guys, I made it back. It's 5.5 miles exact. So very tired. I'll probably get something to eat now. It's lunchtime almost. So thank you for watching. See you around. Take care.